Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we will look at the details about the stray vacancy round that is to be conducted at BLDE Deemed University, Bijapur, which is located in Karnataka. So this notification you can see has been downloaded from the BLDE website. So it was posted on 18 December. And this is first, I'm going to show you the stray vacancy round for the NRI seats. So which is applicable for NRIs, PIOs and OCIs. First of all, the eligibility, your name should be published by MCC in the eligible candidates list for deemed university stray vacancies round. So you should be included in the eligible candidates list, which will be published by MCC on 27 December. So this is the minimum requirement that your name should be appearing on the MCC website. So who are all eligible for stray vacancy round? You should have previously registered with MCC either during round 1, round 2 or mop-up round. You cannot have a fresh registration. So that is the first condition, you should have registered previously. The second condition, you should not have joined any college allotted by MCC and you are still retaining the seat. For example, if you have joined a college after round 2 and you are still holding the seat, you are not eligible. In fact, if you have joined round 2, then you are not eligible. If you have a seat allotted in mop-up round, you are not eligible. If you have a seat allotted in mop-up round and you have joined the college, once again, you are not eligible. So look at the eligible condition from the prospectus published by MCC. Then you decide whether you are eligible for the stray vacancy round. And then the second condition, of course, to participate in NRI category, you should have submitted the NRI documents to MCC and your status should have been changed from general or Indian to NRI category. So that's the minimum requirement. Then what is the fee structure for NRI candidates? The fee structure is in US dollars, which is equivalent to 25 lakh Indian rupees per year. And it has to be paid from the sponsor's foreign or NRE bank account. Apart from that, admission processing fees of 15,000 rupees has to be paid. And then you will have a hostel and food charges, which approximately comes about 1,25,000. So at the time of joining, you will be paying about 26.4 lakhs. Now, how many vacancies are there in BLDE Bijapur? There are 18 seats are vacant for NRI, PIO or OCI category. For this category, there are 18 seats available. Now, how should you get admission? Desirous candidate, and you should be eligible. Desirous eligible candidates can contact or visit the university admission office with all the original documents along with 3 set photocopies for verification and registration on or before 27th December. So only 2 days left. On or before 27 December, you need to go and meet the university with the original documents. The eligible candidates process of admission will be completed on 28 December. So whoever have registered before 27 December, then out of them, 18 top candidates will be selected on 28 December, and 28 December, the admission will be happening. This is mainly for NRI candidates. And if there are any seats vacant, for example, if we don't have 18 NRIs, then what will happen? Say, for example, there are only 10 NRIs and 8 seats fall vacant. Then the vacant 8 seats will be added to the general category. The general management category will get 8 more seats. Okay, so it all depends on how many candidates come for NRI counseling. And these seats will be added to the general counseling that will be happening on 29 December. So for NRIs, the counseling is on 28 December. For general category, 29 December. And then the detailed schedule of the stray vacancy will be published on or before 27 December. So you need to monitor the website for details. Right now, it's only a preliminary information. And then let's also look at the details for the general category. So So this is the general category. So notice for counseling of admission to stray vacancies under general category. Here, once again, the requirement is your name should appear as part of the eligible candidates for deemed university stray vacancies round by MCC. And what is the fee structure? The fee structure is 17 lakhs per year. Apart from that, you need to pay 15,000 as admission processing fees, and then about 1,25,000 per year for hostel and food. So totally you will be paying about 18.4 lakhs at the time of admission. How many number of vacancies? As of now, we don't know the exact number of vacancies because the admission closes only on 26 December. So probably tomorrow evening at 6 p.m., the website will update how many vacancies are there for general category. And then whatever the vacancies that appear in NRI stay vacancy, that we will know on 28 December evening 6 p.m. So these two numbers will be added and presented on 29 December for general management counseling. Now, where you need to go for the counseling, you need to go to BLDE deemed university, Srimadi Bangaramma Sajjan campus, Solapur Road, Vijayapura. Vijayapura or Bijapur are the same. So you need to go to Vijayapura personally to attend the counseling. You cannot do an online counseling, you need to go personally. So desirous eligible candidates can participate for the general stray counseling. Candidates along with original documents as per list, fees and either of the parent is compulsory. So you need to go with the original documents. Okay. No third person is allowed. Now what else? Okay. This is the details for the admission procedure and the documents that needs to be produced. I will provide a link to this document in the description below. You can take a look. So these are the original documents you need to produce. And there are certain documents that you can produce at the time of admission. Mandatory documents for NRI candidates. And please take note that candidates without original certificates or documents shall not be given admission in allotted medical college. Candidates who have deposited their original documents with any other college and come for admission with a certificate stating that their original certificates are deposited with some other college shall not be given admission. So you cannot go for the counseling with bona fide certificate. Bona fide certificate is not allowed. You should bring the original document. So only candidates who are not currently holding a seat can attend the counseling. So there are certain other documents like authentication, bona fide certificate. The formats are given. You need to give an undertaking. All these are given. So you take a look at all these, right? And there are certain other details. I don't want to go through all of them. You can go through. So the news is you can register for NRI counseling right now before 27 December. And then on 28 December, NRI counseling will happen for stray vacancies. And then 29 December, the general stray vacancy will be happening. Thank you. If any further updates, I will try to share it. Thank you. Bye-bye.